want you so bad. Every day and every night, can't forget the time that we had. Thank you for all the things we have been through, all the times I've been beside you. Now I'm gone, I'm all alone. Baby girl, let you know that I can't go on since you left me all alone. Baby girl, I'm insane even though there's a rain, but you can't wish I with my pain. I can't be happy again. Every single day I place all the same since the day you left me. Cause I see how your living world crucify me. I was dreaming of another life, cause I always believed you're gonna be my wife. But there's a lie and I'm broken. Can you hear my heart breaking? With pains and tears you left me away. Now my color don't gray. Can't stay whole day in this plain out of pain.
I was so wrong, loving you so long. I never tell you be that girl, I was baby wrong. I was so wrong, loving you so long. You say you want me back, but I'm sorry and I gotta move on. How does it feel to play with somebody's heart? You were my everything, now you're breaking me apart. My heart shattered like glass, I can't bear the pain. The feelings that you made me feel, I'm going insane. All my life I've been trying to move on, but I'm still stuck in your shit like a melody in a song. I remember that you made me believe all the sweet promises. Do you still remember that? No, well let me remind you this. 1, you told me that you loved me, and 2, you told me that you really cared for me, and 3, you told me that you'll always be there for me. But now you just turn your back on me like you don't give a shit. Now I realize you just wanna play. You just don't know what love is even now and then. You've played my heart, you are breaking me through, but now I gotta stand strong and stand like a man, though. I was so wrong, loving you so long. I never tell you be that girl, I was baby wrong. I was so wrong, loving you so long. You say you want me back, but I'm sorry and I gotta move on.
Yeah, you know you are the best person in my life, but you cheated me, you played me. Now I don't know what to do. So I hope you get this letter. Now I'm gonna ask you one question. Do you know what pain is? What pain is? No, I don't think so. I want dreams of the day will came back and stays in my life again. I won't go away when you came back today, cause I need you. I thought you still keep our promises that we had been proceeds in the day that we meet, girl. Never ever think that since the day you left me, my tears will keep on falling from my ear.